Hey, it's your girl IWV. Thanks for stopping by, and if you're new to my channel, please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hello to all my new subscribers. Hi guys, hi. Thank you for joining us. I'm so excited because I have a lot of new subscribers, so I'm a little bit shy. Anyways, so thank you for joining the family. This channel is a little bit of everything. You get hair, you get fashion, you get vlogs, you get lifestyle, everything. It's a surprise every time you come on my page. So don't forget to hit that bell, okay? So you're notified when I do post. So guys, today's video, honestly, not gonna lie, I was a little shy to put out this video just because I know with this video I'm gonna be attracting a different group of people, but you know, change is good. It's good to be very diverse. So today we're doing a baddie on a budget video. Baddie on a budget videos. For those of you who, that my group of certain individuals, you guys already know what a baddie on a budget is. For those of you who don't know, it's I'm gonna be reviewing replicas. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So yeah, I was a little bit shy just because I didn't know what group I was gonna attract, but honestly, we're on lockdown, so that's what I'm doing. So this company, Fashion Plug, reached out to me and they wanted to do a collaboration. Before I do collaborations, I always type on YouTube, see what other people have to say about the company. And I was very much surprised. A lot of people actually have purchased stuff from this company, and the replicas were on point. I was actually a little bit nervous. Like if I never seen the title, I swear I would have thought it was purchased from the actual store. So that's a good sign. So we're gonna do an unboxing. I'm gonna show you guys the stuff this company sent me, and we're gonna do a little unboxing and see how they look, how the quality is, how the packaging looks, all that jazz. If this is the video you're interested in, stay tuned till the end. So now for the first item, this is how it looks. I broke that. Don't look at that. This is how it looks when you get the package. And I believe this one, oh yes, this is what comes inside of the box. It comes with this little string. If you purchased from Louis Vuitton before, then you know that it comes with this little gift wrapping. Well, the online store, it comes with this little gift wrapping thing inside of the box, when nobody's physically there to wrap it for you. So it comes with that. It comes with this over here, and this is the bracelet. This is the detailing, guys. It's actually I don't know, this feels like I unlocked a new world. This is how this bracelet looks, and you go like that. Wow, I'm very impressed. Very impressed. For those of you who are really good at purchasing dupes, this is how it looks. I hope I'm presenting it well for you guys. You guys can really inspect the items, you know. So this is how it looks. And yeah, okay, on to the second item. The next item I got, I believe this one is a wallet. Okay, yes, this one is a wallet. So it comes with this display. And in the box is what comes with. It comes with a letter. Oh, there's nothing inside. Never mind. But it comes with this. It comes with these little I think this is the what do you call it? You know how they give you washing instructions for items? I think that's what it is. This is how it looks. Okay, are you guys seeing this? This is how it look. Me, this is crazy. I'm very impressed. Yo, this world is pretty cool. And if you're gonna be buying replicas, at least buy the ones that like look good, because some of you guys in my city, you guys be getting some replicas and it's like, when you look at it right away, come on.
This is not what a man do. It can be possible. How?
Like, I feel like if you're gonna buy replicas, buy proper ones that, you know, because the whole point you're buying is because you want it to look like they purchased from the store. So take time. Okay, these is what I got. Yeah, I got socks. You know, I didn't even know Dior had, okay, no, I actually didn't know. I'm so used to seeing the Gucci socks. And then I seen the Dior ones. I'm like, okay. I'm trying to get a little bit of, what I did in this haul, I got like little brands of different things. So like, I'm appealing to all audiences. Like those people who like to buy LV, you see how the LV looks. Those people who like to like, sorry. Those of you who like to purchase Dior, now you guys know how the Dior looks. And I have other brands, you know, I just want to make sure everybody was thought about. So these are how the socks look. You can never go wrong with a pair of socks, honestly. And now, because summer's around the corner, it only made sense to get some summer inspired items. So I got this is how it looks on the inside. Ooh. Hats never look good on me, but I'm like, you know, let me try. And I will show you guys how it looks styled, just to be extra, you know, just to be extra, just because I'm in the mood. So
girl, nah, nah. Oh, girl, nah, nah. Baby girl, don't need to flex. Dance to the rhythm and you do all the rest. Oh, girl, nah, nah. Oh, girl, nah, nah. Fly me up with dreams, the only thing I need. When I'm down, lift me up with your company. There's no telling what you and me creating. We're on the same wavelength. Feel the beat tonight, something good inside. Set you free like you lose all track of time. Come on, have a conversation. Don't treat me like a stranger.
this is a look.
You give me motivation.
This right here is a look. My little thing there. Anyway, these are the last pieces. This is the last thing I received. These Givenchy slides. So in the box it comes with like it even comes with the paper. Oh my gosh, these people are so funny. Okay, but yeah, it's honestly the detail for me. It's actually the detail for me. Wow. You see, if you're gonna buy replicas, please buy one that is like worth your money, because while you're buying replicas, if like they don't even look like what you're supposed to be replicating, you know what I mean? So yeah. And I got these in a size 40. Yeah, I got these in a size 40 because I was told that they do fit small. Usually I wear size 8, but I was told that they fit small, so I got a 40. And my lovelies, that is it for this video. This was actually pretty fun. I was nervous at first, but I'm happy I did it, because like now I've entered into this world. You know, it's nice to try things, nice to see, and this is impressive. Very, very impressive. So for my babes that love to purchase luxury items for the low, I do have a code you can use. It's gonna be in the description box, and I'm gonna put the links of all the stuff in this haul. So if it's anything that you're looking for in particular and I reviewed it for you, the link is gonna be in the description, so you can go purchase it with yourself and also use my code. And yeah, honestly, for those of you guys who know how to purchase, like, shout out to you guys. Honestly, not knocking anyone's hustle. If it's for you, it's for you. If it's not, it's not. You know, this is my first time ever like getting something from a website like this, and I was very much impressed, very much impressed. So if this is your cup of tea, I hope that this video was very informative and you got to see how the quality is of the items and how it looks on hand straight out the box. And happy shopping. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.